My video is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the website Newpush.site. Some people may see these pretty strange alerts that come from the site Newpush.site. These pop-ups try to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. If people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on allow, their browser is hijacked and contaminated with numerous advertisements that will be periodically attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. It's indeed a mistake to click on allow. So if you have done that, it's time to get your browser fixed. So let us fix it right now. Go to the menu of your browser settings, select privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Go down to the list of the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Newpush.site, remove it from the list. I'd also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching it with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.